Hey there! So, let's talk about the problem we're tackling today. The problem arises when trying to write the node name of a node stored in a variable to a file. The tricky part is that it works when assigning the variable's value through the select attribute, but not when assigning it by the content. And we need to get the latter working because we want that content to be conditional. Tricky, right? Now, let's delve into the solution we have at hand. The code snippet provided creates a variable whose value is a new document node containing a copy of the context node or item. This can cause the unexpected behavior we've been experiencing. To adjust this, we can use an as attribute to ensure the correct type is assigned to the variable. By utilizing the correct type, we can avoid any unexpected outcomes. Building on the previous point, by adjusting the code to use the as attribute, we ensure that the variable conm2 is of type node. This modification allows us to correctly handle the selection and manipulation of the node as intended. Alternatively, without the as attribute, we could select down into the tree to access elements inside, providing a workaround for our issue. In summary, by making these adjustments to our XSLT code, we can effectively address the problem we encountered with writing node names into a file. Remember, in XPath 2 and later versions, utilizing conditional expressions can help streamline your code and handle various scenarios effectively. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.